In this video, I'll be discussing the bubble map and how to use it. The bubble map is a fairly simple map to create. It starts with a term in the center, and then you write adjectives around that term, draw a circle around the adjectives, and connect it to the term. This map is fairly simple because it only has one noun, and every other word on there should be adjectives or adjective phrases. The adjectives are, of course, used to describe the noun. In this example, given in high school English, the student described media. Okay, obviously she didn't have a very good perception of media, but all of these words that surround media are adjectives describing media. The purpose of the bubble map is for students to stop and describe something. When we want the students to stop and elaborate on something is when we use the bubble map. This is mainly used in English in their writing. It's very difficult sometimes for students to stop and start describing something. But with the bubble map, if you use the bubble map and have them stop and create adjectives, and then have them go through and use all those adjectives in a paragraph describing that noun, then the students are more likely to go in more detail when describing. This map is commonly misused. Unfortunately, a lot of people use it as circle maps, which is not the way that it's supposed to be used. It's only supposed to be used for adjectives. It's not a brainstorming map where you throw anything out there that you want and connect it. It's not a thought web or an organization web. This map is only used for adjectives to describe that specific noun that you have in the center. Other nouns around it should not be used. It should only be used for adjectives describing the noun in the center.